Hello there, aspiring entrepreneurs. You're embarking on a thrilling journey to starting your own business, one which we are excited to be part of today. We will be talking about an often overlooked but incredibly important part of running a business: the basics of annual minutes compliance notices. Before we get started, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you can stay updated about business topics that can save you time and money. Of course, starting a business involves navigating many rules and regulations. According to the World Bank, approximately 35% of new businesses find regulatory compliance to be a major hurdle. One of these compliance aspects is the annual minutes. In the United States, most states require corporations to keep detailed records of major business decisions and meetings of shareholders and directors. These are known as annual minutes. For LLCs, this is often not required, but strongly recommended to maintain the veil of limited liability. Despite this legal requirement, the Wall Street Journal reports that as many as 60% of small businesses fail to maintain regular meeting minutes, potentially exposing themselves to lawsuits and other legal issues. Annual minutes are usually used to reflect key decisions and actions taken by a corporation or LLC during the year. They can help to provide clarity on issues such as approvals for contracts, changes in leadership, approval of annual financial reports, and more. Now, let's dive into annual minutes compliance notices. These are formal reminders sent to corporations to ensure they fulfill their requirement of maintaining annual minutes. Often, they come from your state's business office, but unfortunately, some scam companies also send out deceptive notices. In fact, the Small Business Administration warns that businesses receive an average of 3 deceptive compliance notices for every legitimate one. Therefore, it is crucial to verify the sender and the request before taking any action. A legitimate annual minutes compliance notice will specify the type of information you need to provide, such as details of meetings, resolutions passed, or changes in company structure. Typically, these notices will ask for a fee to file your annual minutes with your state business office. So how do you maintain annual minutes compliance? There are 3 main steps: documenting meetings and decisions, verifying any compliance notices, and then submitting your annual minutes as required. Remember, annual minutes compliance notices are an important part of running a business. They help ensure transparency and accountability within your business, protect your limited liability, and fulfill your legal requirements. It's crucial to stay vigilant, be well-informed, and maintain your annual minutes. After all, your business isn't just a dream, it's a responsibility. Don't be part of the 60% that overlook this crucial aspect. Let's navigate these entrepreneurial waters together, ensuring that you not only start your business, but sustain it too. To receive first-rate help in setting up and maintaining your business, please visit legalregistration.com, or you are welcome to call our experts right now at 877-955-7111. Also, what do you think about how annual minutes compliance notices work? Do you believe it's advantageous for businesses to use them? Drop a comment below and let us know your opinion. Please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you can stay updated about important information designed to benefit your business.